Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, friends. In today's video, we will try to understand the data visualization. So, in Python, there are too many libraries to visualize the data. Some of them are these are the libraries for using data visualization. So, they are using for different jobs. For example, this is famous Ploty, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Bouquet. So, and there are other libraries also, like for in JavaScript, like Chart.js, and other like Power BI, and so on. So we will try to understand the Plotly today, how we are making the dashboard using the Plotly. And in Plotly there are three ways. Number one, Plotly Express, Plotly Dash, Plotly Express. So in today's video we will understand how we can visualize our data using the Plotly Express. This is a website. There are too many type of charts we are able to create on this, and we can integrate this in Django also. So you can see the website also, how we are making charts, and there are already created data also available. For example, for different type, there are different type of data sets are also already available for data scientists, but now we have already our ERP application, so we can use our data. So I already created one small dashboard, so I will show you the functionality and technicals. Let's start. First we can log in our ERP application, then we can see our dashboard here. This is our finance dashboard. Actually this I will create dynamically, but right now I make this charts only for expenses account. Before going here, I will show you the chart of account. We already see in previous videos. We have account types: assets, expense, liabilities, income, and so on. And every account is associated with account types. Like for expenses, we have direct expense and indirect expense. And all accounting sub-accounts are actually related with this. For example, PT cash and expense is indirect expense. Staff salary is direct expense. Fuel payment, indirect expense. Commission on bidding, indirect expense. Office building rent, custom duty, packing card material, all these are expenses, direct or indirect. Direct expenses, actually this is term of cost accounting, when we are doing accounting for manufacturing companies or projects, we are using this term. So direct expenses are actually we are marking in our profit and loss also, and for costing also, costing of the product of the budget. For example, if we are making some product, so we are using the costing, how much cost of this product. So direct expense will be we are minus from that account. So now I show you the accounts, and we already created vouchers, some vouchers. We have the list of vouchers. We have, if you can see the trial balance now, for 1 year trial balance, like for example 5/9/2023 up to today. We have trial balance here also, and we have the balances, different balances. For example, how much balance here? PT cash 500 balance, fuel payment 75, custom duty 100, office building rent 255. So we have few entries. So now we are going to see our chart. This is our finance dashboard. We can first put our date, same date, trial balance date, or any date we can put here, 5/9/2023 to today. So these are the expense accounts we just used, and this is pie chart using the dash Ploty Express, and this is the bar chart. PT cash exposite, what is the participation of the expenses in our account. So now we are going to create one new entry here. How many accounts? 1 2 3 4 4 accounts. We are going to make one new entry. Or we can better, we already have account, no? We can see new, we can create new voucher. We can, here is no use commission on bidding, so we can use commission on bidding expense. And from which account we can, UBL bank. Now we can see here our new entry is $411, and we can refresh our chart. New commission on bidding 411, and the participation of 30. This is the 30.6% of total expenses. So this is the total, this is our dashboard. So I will show you the technical now in the same video. First we have to install the Ploty Express. How we can install? pip install Plotly Express. First we can run this command, so it will install the Plotly Express. If we are using the Jupyter notebook, actually this is also for data science and data analysis, we are using this one. So this is I think you have installed here also. And if you are using the Google Colab actually is also provide us, or there is already installed, I think, all libraries. We have to see, I think sometime maybe later I will also try to show you here how we can use the data visualization on the Google Colab. So now we are going here. First we can install. I already installed in my system. So after installation we have to import library. There are two library. I used Plotly Express only. This right now I'm not using Ploty graphs. I created just one file, but now I'm not using this one graph objects. I'm using the Plotly Express only, and it is more comfortable. And there are too many other graphs also, but before I was using the chart.js, but now it is, I think I am feeling it is more dynamic. Chart.js actually provides the charts statically. It is not showing the details, only image. I think I have to research on that, but I will also use sometime. I already use in my e-commerce app, that one. So after importing the library, we have to create one view. In this view, right now I am fixing here only account type code is 15. 15 means expenses. Account type code, if you can see here, sorry, account types, expenses. But now after that I will make the list so user can select the account type code here. Instead of fixing any type of account, we can put here in our with the dates, so it will show the data of that. So instead of expenses, any, for example, for income, for liability, or any other type, we can visualize our data here on single dashboard, and we can make more charts, or also we can make the day, months and year, everything here. So first we can make one query set, select main account code, which account type is 15. Then simply we are using already in trial balance, we make the filter using the dates, and Django, we are using the Django ORM here all. So we are making our query sets and using the annotate and annotate. This is, there is two way, aggregate is, annotate is for group by, for using, and we are using the SQL. Here is group by. So here we are selecting the account code, sub account title, balance, opening balance, debit, credit, and balance, and then we are selecting the columns. This is already we see in our old video. Lookups, what are the lookup? If you didn't see my previous video, you can go there and you can see how we are making the trial balance, how we are making the ledger. So there you can see easily lookups. Date, watcher date, between, range is lookup, from date to date, which we enter by user, which we are taking here. from date to date, and maybe next video or after that sometime if I will time na, so I will make the this one also account type ID. So user will also select this one, and then after that from voucher details main account is fixed by this one 15. All main account which in means in main account code and values sub account, and again group by some debit with opening balance and all debit credit we are making balance. You can see my already what is the queue object is doing, everything I already defined before. Just I am going to show you the chart here. After that we are making the columns, sub account code, which column we needed in our graph. Now we need X and Y only. So sub account code, sub account title, actually only need sub account title and balance. Exclude 0, it is also I am saying which all remove all the account which balance is 0, and this sub account code I use just for showing here account code. In graph we are using only X and Y, two fields. So this is our graph df. If our QD set is df C04, we can use any name. Now here px na, which we imported, Ploty Express. It is the alias of the Ploty Express. Ploty Express, first field we are defining our data set, which is our QE set, values, names, values, numbers, names, account title, and title of the graph, expense pie chart, any name we can put, title, font size, left, or I will check here, and this one all we can update here the formatting, and then chart is equal to, in one object we can put chart.html, and second chart I created here bar chart. Here the values are X value, Y value is balance, color we can also define, so I put here color, title, labels. If the account label is account, we can use the account, and also make the HTML and then render to the HTML page, bar chart and chart. So that's it. Then in HTML template what we have done, this is our HTML template, and we are actually this URL we are using all the things saving in your URL. This URL.py fin dash is our path, and what is the view name? Fin dashboard. This is our HTML, very simple. Here is the table, account code, account title, amount, expense dot sub account code, sub account title, and balance, formatting 3.0, and after that chart number 1. This I am using column 4. This is actually bootstrap. We have the 12 column in one, so it is I divided in 12 columns in every page. So 4 column this, for this. So chart save, bar chart, which we actually forwarding from there in our view. chart and bar chart. So thank you very much for your time. Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.